Welcome to Cooking with Ashley, a laid-back casual show where I show you how to use products from some of my favourite companies, whether that be making the mix straight as it is or incorporating their products into recipes. Let's learn a little bit about the savoury snack mix itself. It is endorsed by Celiac Australia and made in Australia. You can pick it up from independent stores as well as the Yes You Can online store itself. It creates the famous Brazilian cheese bread, or, and I'm going to mess this up, so I'm going to insert Google right now.
Pão de queijo.
The mix is gluten, soy, egg, nut, and GMO free. They also say that it is low FODMAP friendly and contains no artificial colours or flavours. For major allergens, the mix does include milk. Other ingredients include tapioca starch, whey powder, natural cheese flavour, and salt.
For the cheese bread, you're going to need 200 ml of lukewarm water, 60 ml of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs or egg replacer, and 130 grams of grated cheese.
To this mix in the bowl, we're going to add 200 ml of lukewarm water, along with 2 eggs and 60 ml of olive oil, vegetable oil. In my KitchenAid with my bread hook attachment, I'm going to mix this on low speed for about a minute. Then we're going to add 130 grams of grated cheese, and mix for another 30 seconds on low speed. So with lightly oiled hands, which is what Yes You Can suggests, we're going to create small balls of the dough, about a golf ball size, and place it on a lined baking tray. This will then go into our oven, which is preheated at 160 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Now I'm going to use the rest of this dough to show you how you can turn this into a pizza scroll. And what we're going to do is, instead of creating a ball like this, we're going to use some of this dough and make a rope shape and then flatten that out into a strip. Depending on how big you want your pizza scroll, really depends on how thick the strip should be. I'm just going to make little mini ones. So I'm only going for 2 centimeters thick, roughly. There you go. So to my pizza scroll, I'm going to just place down a little bit of tomato paste. And you can really use any fillings you want for this, but I'm going for a basic olives and cheese. And then we're just gonna roll it up like a scroll. Now that looks yummy. Once your balls are golden brown, remove them from the oven and allow them to cool slightly so that they will firm up a little bit. Now I personally like to serve these warm with a little bit of salsa. These will also freeze well. Put them in an airtight container in the freezer, and then when you're ready to use them, defrost and pop them in the microwave for about 30 seconds so that you warm up all that gooey, cheesy goodness inside. Now, as promised, one of you will win your own pack of savoury snack mix thanks to Yes You Can, so you can use it in your own kitchen. To enter, all you need to do is follow the Aussie Celiac and Yes You Can on Instagram. I'll leave the links in the description bar down below. And then comment on this video, tagging a friend you'd share this with and telling me what you'd make with it. I'll announce the winner in the next episode next Tuesday at 6 p.m. right here. And don't forget, yes, you can make it gluten-free. Bye.